So here is how to fix Roblox avatar not loading or can't change your avatar. So first you will need to open the browser and then go to roblox.com and log into your account. Now, if your account is already logged in, you can click on this cog icon and then click on logout. And then try to relog back to your account by pressing log in, or try to log into a different account and then go to avatar, and now it should be working and loading all the avatars. What you can do as well is in your browser settings, click on the burger menu here and go to settings, and then look for cookies, privacy and security, and then clear data, cookies and site data, and then make sure you select cookies and site data and temporary cached files, and also site settings, and then select everything and then press clear. Now after clearing it, you can go back in a new tab to roblox.com and then go to your avatar, and that should fix the problem and load your avatars, and then you can change your avatar as you like. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.